Did you know the cleanliness of business space can make or break its success? From offices to hospitals to mastering commercial cleaning isn't just about mopping floors. It's about compliance, safety, and making lasting impressions. So stick around to learn how to elevate your cleaning game and win big contracts.
Welcome to Lesson 2.1. Today we're diving into the world of commercial cleaning, an industry filled with endless opportunities, but one that also requires precision, attention to detail, and an understanding of strict safety and compliance standards. Commercial cleaning is much more than just mopping floors and wiping down desks. It's about maintaining various types of business spaces, whether that's an office building, a school, a medical facility, or a retail store. Each environment comes with its own unique set of requirements, and mastering these is what will set you apart in the industry. The diversity of commercial spaces. Let's break down some common commercial cleaning environments and what each entails. Offices. These spaces require routine cleaning tasks, such as emptying trash, vacuuming, wiping down surfaces, and sanitizing restrooms. However, offices also occasionally need more specialized services like carpet cleaning, window washing, or even sanitizing shared electronics like phones and keyboards. Creating a fresh, clean workspace doesn't just boost employee productivity. It also makes a great first impression on clients and visitors. Schools' education facilities are high-traffic areas, with hundreds or even thousands of students, teachers, and staff moving through classrooms and hallways every day. These buildings need constant cleaning. Desks, lockers, cafeterias, and restrooms are all hotspots for germs. Regular cleaning ensures the health of students and staff, reducing illness-related absences. Plus, the floors, whether they're tile, wood, or carpet, need frequent maintenance to stay in good condition. Healthcare facility. Here we're talking about a whole different level of cleaning. It's not just about dusting or mopping. It's about infection control. Surfaces, floors, and equipment must be disinfected to prevent the spread of disease. There are also stringent health and safety regulations that govern how cleaning is done in medical settings. For example, certain chemicals might be restricted due to their effects on vulnerable patients, and cleaning schedules might need to align with medical procedures to avoid disruption. Precision is key in healthcare cleaning, and understanding these regulations gives you a huge competitive advantage. Retail stores. Presentation is everything in retail. Shiny floors, spotless shelves, and clean fitting rooms can make or break a customer's shopping experience. Retail stores often need quick, efficient cleaning to maintain a pristine appearance during business hours, followed by a more thorough clean after closing. Each of these environments demands a different cleaning strategy, and the more you know about their specific needs, the better you can cater your services to each client. Why high standards matter. So, why do commercial clients expect such high standards? There are a couple of reasons. First impressions are everything. The cleanliness of a space directly affects the perception of a business. Think about it. If you walk into a dirty office or a poorly maintained retail store, you might question their professionalism. In contrast, a spotless environment can make customers, clients, and even employees feel more confident in the business. For instance, an immaculate office signals organization and care, while a pristine store shows attention to detail. Health and safety regulations. Certain industries like healthcare, food service, or even schools are governed by strict health and safety regulations. These aren't just guidelines. They're laws that can result in hefty fines or closures if not followed. For instance, healthcare facilities must adhere to specific cleaning protocols to control the spread of infection, and restaurants need to maintain cleanliness to comply with food safety standards. Knowing these regulations inside and out is non-negotiable for businesses operating in these sectors. How compliance impacts your business. Being knowledgeable about industry regulations doesn't just help your clients. It also helps you win contracts. Let's take hospitals as an example. They don't just want any cleaning company. They need a team that understands the legal requirements for hygiene and infection control. If you can demonstrate that you know how to meet these standards, you'll have a significant edge over competitors who might lack that specialized knowledge. Compliance isn't just about avoiding fines. In many cases, a failure to comply with health regulations can lead to serious consequences, like the spread of infectious diseases in healthcare settings. food contamination in restaurants, or unsafe environments in schools. This is why many commercial clients are willing to pay more for cleaning services that ensure strict adherence to these guidelines. Building a competitive edge. So how can you build a competitive edge in commercial cleaning? Understand the needs of each industry. As we've discussed, every industry, from office spaces to healthcare facilities, has its own unique cleaning needs. Take the time to study these requirements and make sure your team is trained to meet them. Focus on training. Your cleaning staff is the face of your business. Equip them with the knowledge and skills to handle the demands of any commercial space. Regular training on cleaning techniques, safety protocols, and new regulations will help them deliver top-notch service every time. Use the right tools and products. Different industries require different cleaning tools and chemicals. For example, hospitals may need specific disinfectants that are effective against viruses and bacteria, while retail stores might prioritize environmentally friendly products. Knowing what to use and where is crucial. Safety first. Finally, always prioritize safety, not just for your cleaning staff, but for everyone who enters the space. This means understanding OSHA guidelines, proper handling of chemicals, and the safe use of cleaning equipment. Conclusion. The commercial cleaning industry is vast, and every business you clean for will have its own expectations and requirements. By understanding the specific needs of various industries, whether it's an office, school, hospital, or retail store, you can offer specialized, high-quality services that meet the highest standards of cleanliness and compliance. As we continue through this module, we'll dive deeper into each of these industries, exploring more about what makes them unique and how you can tailor your cleaning services to exceed client expectations. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll explore commercial cleaning tools and products, an essential part of delivering a standout cleaning service.